This short tutorial demonstrates how to buy shares of Ensurge Micropower ASA. The company makes microscale batteries and power components and is listed on Euronext under the ticker ENSU.OL. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account. Verification typically requires a valid ID and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker ENSU.OL to locate the listing. Confirm you select the Ensurge Micropower ASA share on Euronext to ensure it is the correct asset. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the live price chart. Verify the company name and ENSU.OL ticker to make sure this is the correct stock. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until it opens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the transaction. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to open an account or follow the steps shown.